this is Brett from Primo Gas Lanterns, and I'd like to talk to you about our electronic ignition system. If you're thinking about using our system on your lantern that you're purchasing, there's a few things that you need to know. One is you need to have 120 volt to that location and also gas to the same location. Now they won't be coming out the same place because the gas line is actually connected at the bottom and the electricity is connected in the back plate. You can also go to our website and see the line drawings for the lanterns that you are thinking of buying, and it will show you the mounting point in relation to where the gas line comes in at the bottom. Another thing that you need to be aware of is you're taking a gas lantern and you're modifying it to accept the electrical components of our ignition system. In order to do that, we have to drill extra holes in the bottom of the lantern in order to be able to run the wiring through a conduit sealed tube. You can't have exposed wiring on this system. So you can kind of see it through the back plate. So once that's done, then this lantern has been customized and we do not take it back. So please be aware of that before you order this system. Now, it comes standard as a natural gas system, but we do have propane stems that are available for an upcharge if you are burning propane. It will work on either system, either natural gas or propane. Our electronic ignition is a very neat gadget. It's very cool to be able to flip the switch and have your lantern just come on. However, if you're looking for a cost savings, you're not going to find it here. Usually these lanterns burn natural gas about $6 to $10 a month wide open, but it has an adjustable manual valve, so you could even turn down that usage. The igniter itself is pretty expensive, and it would take you years to recoup the cost savings in gas usage. Another consideration to be aware of is that this system will only fit in our medium to large lanterns. When you look at the volume, you see the box is about 4 inches high, and then the valve is about 4 inches high, and then the flame that comes out of the valve is 4 inches high. In our smaller lanterns, the flame ends up coming up at the top of the lantern, much too hot for a small lantern. It will break all the glass. So they are not available in these smaller lanterns. Since you've decided to get our electronic ignition system, a few things that you need to know for your rough end. These lanterns are designed to burn at a ½ pound PSI of pressure, which is about 5 to 10 water columns. Anything more than that and it will not operate correctly. So you may need to get an adjustable fuel pressure regulator in your attic for your plumber to install in order to be able to dial down the pressure for these lanterns to operate correctly. Another thing is on the 120 volt. When you rough in, it's just standard Romex. However, these things are very ground sensitive. There's actually 3 grounds inside of this box that hook up to the house ground. You have to make sure that your grounds are really good on your rough end, or again, the system won't operate correctly. All of our igniters are assembled, installed, and tested here for our facility at the correct pressure and voltage to ensure that once you receive the product, all you have to do is connect the wires and connect the gas, and you're ready to go. If you have any further questions or comments or need more technical information, just click on the link in our video description and someone will reach out to you. Thank you so much for joining us here with Primo Gas Lanterns Electronic Ignition.